up, everybody? As you can tell, I am in my living room. Today I wanted to show you how to do the Bring the Salon Home Kiss Brush On Gel Kit. This is what it looks like, and it shows you some of the basic steps here, but it comes with these 3 bottles of product and then the fake nails down here. You know, we're gonna give this a shot. You know, I just took off my acrylic nails that I had on for quite some time, so I figured might as well try something new, save a little bit of money. So yeah, we'll see if this even works. So it all comes in a package like this. It includes this brush on gel, the gel activator, and it also comes with the brush cleaner. So I guess this is for after application. And it comes with a nail file that has 2 sides. One is more rough than the other one, so this is the smoothing side, and then this one is the rough filing side. And along with that, it also comes with the kit of nails. So it kind of shows you right here what all of them look like. And then we have the clear ones here and the white ones here for a French tip. I'm going to be doing the clear ones just because I want to do a polish over it. So we have our instructions here. I'm going to read the instructions and I'll be right back. So here I have lined up all of my nails that fit every single one, and I have all of my products lined up here. So I'm going to be doing my pointer finger for you today. There you go, that is the final nail. I'm just going to wait for it to dry so I can peel this tab off, and then I'm just going to file down that edge and then apply some nail polish over it, and it should be good. So this is what it looks like from the side. So it does have a nice smooth finish. I'll show you guys the finished product once these dry. So this is what the nails looked like in the end after painting them, and I filed them down a little bit and shaped them. So these nails are not my favorite. As you can tell, there's like a line that was left from where I glued on the acrylic tip and then did the gel. It might have needed another coat of the gel, but this is it with the polish, and I shaped them to look a little bit like the ballerina style. Underneath doesn't look too bad. As you can tell, there's like a weird line, and I even did 3 coats of the polish to kind of cover it up a little bit more, but it didn't really help. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY gel nails. It wasn't my favorite thing ever. Like, this is what they look like in the end. They look alright. They're not, obviously they're not professional. I'm not a professional nail technician. My only issue is this line that's right here. Oh, and the polish is not dry yet, so I just messed that up. Whatever, but yeah, this will take a little while to dry. I'm not very good at doing my own nails, so this looks really bad, but honestly, I am kind of impressed in a way because this is a lot better than I thought they would turn out, even though they still look really bad. Again, I am not a professional at this. I just thought this would kind of be a fun little video to do since I do like getting my nails done often and getting acrylics done or just gel polish. I will be going to a salon next time. This was a little fun though, but yeah, not my best nail look. However, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button down below. So the box also says that there is easy removal, so I will check in on my Instagram on how I remove the nails or if they even remove easily. So here's my Instagram link right here so you can check that out in the future. Like I said, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let me know what videos you guys would like to see in the future.